Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing program which allows the user to type and save documents. A word processor is a computer program that provides formatting, editing, input, and output of the text with various features. Okay, the first version of MS Word was released in 1983. Okay. It contains additional features such as themes, smart arts, and styles, etc. for making an impressive and professional looking documents. It saves your file with an extension name of .doc, that is, your document save as xyz.doc. Okay? Components of MS Word. So word window is featured with various parts. We will know them one by one. Title bar. The blue horizontal bar at the top of the window is called title bar. It contains the quick access bar at the left, document title in the center, and minimize, maximize and close button on the right. Okay? These three parts are also exist in other word processors like Notepad and WordPad. Ribbon. Ribbon is the broad bar containing icons for various options in Word. Above the blank writing area, this is work area. Okay. Tab. A group of related options form a tab and each tab has its own ribbon. MS Word has 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailings, Reviews and Views. Okay. Group. Group is a set of icons related to any one task on each tab ribbon. For example, font, paragraph and editing are groups of home ribbon. Show, zoom and window are grouped on view ribbon. Office button. Office button on the left of home tab has option for manipulating files like new, open, save, print, etc. Okay. Status bar. Status bar is located at the bottom of the Word window. It displays the page number, word count, different views and zoom level. Now creating a new document. To create a new document, you need to click on the Microsoft Office button, then select New. Document dialog box will appear. Okay, select blank document under the blank and recent section. Then click create to create a new document. A new blank document appears in the Word window. Next topic is typing text and inserting new line. After creating a new blank document, you will find an insertion point with cursor blinking. You can type your content on the workspace area. Next, selecting text. To select the type text, move the cursor at the starting of the text. Press and hold the shift key and press right arrow key and move the cursor to the end of the text, or left click at the starting of the text, hold or drag the left mouse button till end. Okay, your text will be selected. Now next, deleting text. Move the cursor at starting of the text to be deleted and press the delete key. Okay. Next is move the cursor at the end of the text to be deleted and press the backspace key. Or select the text and press delete key. Okay. Next is how to save your file. So to save your file, click on Microsoft Office button, select Save As option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Now, using the drop-down menu, select the location where you want to save the document. Enter the name of the document and click on the Save button. Your file will be saved. To use the Save command for further saving of work, click on the Microsoft Office button, select Save from the menu, okay, or press Ctrl+S, that is the shortcut key. This saves your file in its current location using the same file name. Next is how to close a document. To close the document, click on the Office button. A drop-down list appears. Now click on Close or click on the Close button on Word window. Your document will be closed. Okay. If you may had any changes in your document, a dialog box appear asking you to save the changes. So click yes if the changes were done or ignore if the message by clicking no. Next is how to print the document. To print the document, click on the Microsoft Office button, select print, then print dialog boxes appear in front of you. Select the page you want to print. Okay, all pages, current pages or the range of pages you want. Okay, you can also select the number of copies. Select the printer from the drop down list, okay, that is connected to the system. You can also review your document before gets printed. To do so, click on the print option. The print preview ribbon appears. Now you can use the button on the ribbon to change the page setup and print setting, zoom in and out of the document. You can return to the normal document by clicking on the Close Print Preview. Next is how to exit the Word document. To exit Word, you can click on the Office button and then click on Exit Word or press the shortcut key Alt plus F4 or click on the Close button. Okay, Close option. Exit a Word means it will close the Word document you are working on. Okay.